What if I told you that feeling tired in the morning is not normal? You don't need more sleep. You don't need more coffee. You just need to fix what you do at night and how you start your morning. Today, I'll share 3 science-backed habits that can completely change the way you wake up, starting tonight. Your day doesn't start in the morning. It starts the night before. One of the biggest problems today, especially for Gen Z, is excessive screen time before bed. Mobile phones, laptops, and tablets emit blue light. Scientific studies show that blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Your brain mistakes this light for sunlight. It thinks it's daytime. As a result, your body stays alert, your sleep quality drops, and you wake up feeling tired, even after 8 hours. Action step: put your phone away at least 30 minutes before sleep. Dim the lights, let your brain understand. It's time to rest. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is recovery. The moment you wake up, don't touch your phone. Studies show that checking your phone immediately raises cortisol, the stress hormone, pushing your brain into survival mode. Instead, sit up and take 5 slow, deep breaths. Neuroscience proves this activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress and improving focus. Next, expose yourself to natural sunlight within the first 30 minutes of waking up. Research in circadian biology confirms that morning sunlight resets your internal clock and boosts energy levels naturally. No supplements, no caffeine, just sunlight. After sleep, your body is mildly dehydrated. Studies show that even mild dehydration can affect mood, memory, and concentration. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Then move your body. Even 1 to 2 minutes of light movement increases dopamine and endorphins, improving motivation and mental clarity. Stretch, walk. Do a few push-ups. Movement tells your brain the day has begun. Before starting your day, set one clear intention. Psychological research shows that intentional planning improves goal achievement and self-control. Ask yourself, what is one thing I will do today to improve my life? That one thought can change your entire day. If you fix your night and master your morning, you don't just feel better, you become better. Your energy improves, your focus sharpens, your life starts changing. Quietly, consistently. Start tonight. Wake up stronger tomorrow. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for more science-backed self-improvement, and comment "morning" if you're ready to change your routine. Your future self will thank you. Part 4. Pranayama. Breath, nervous system control. Breathing is automatic, but conscious breathing is powerful. Scientific studies show that slow, controlled breathing directly activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for calmness, recovery, and focus. When you practice pranayama for just 3 to 5 minutes, heart rate slows down, stress hormone cortisol decreases, oxygen delivery to the brain improves. This is why yogic breathing instantly makes you feel calm and clear. How to do it: sit straight, inhale slowly through your nose, exhale longer than you inhale, repeat. This simple pattern tells your brain, I am safe, I am in control. Part 5. Meditation, brain rewiring. Now let's talk about meditation. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. It's about training your attention. Brain imaging studies show that regular meditation reduces activity in the amygdala, fear and stress center, strengthens the prefrontal cortex, focus and decision-making, improves emotional regulation and mental clarity. Just 5 to 10 minutes of meditation daily can improve attention, reduce anxiety, and increase self-awareness. How to do it: sit comfortably, close your eyes. Focus on your breath or simply observe your thoughts without reacting. No force, no judgment. Awareness is the exercise. Why pranayama plus meditation together work. Pranayama calms the body. Meditation trains the mind. When combined, they create a powerful balance: calm body, focused mind, controlled emotions. This is why ancient practices are now recommended by modern neuroscience. Outro: motivational close plus CTA. You don't need to escape stress. You need to train your response to it. Control your breath, control your mind, control your life. Start with 5 minutes a day. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more science-backed self-improvement, and comment "calm" if you're starting pranayama and meditation from today. Your mind is your greatest tool. Learn to use it.